Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the controller and getting tools ready. Plug it into your PC with a cable or pair via Bluetooth. USB gives direct access for updates. Once done, open the Microsoft Store and install the Xbox Accessories app. This app exposes firmware controls that you need. Make sure Windows is updated and Bluetooth drivers are current so the app sees the controller. While you wait for the app to install, check the controller model printed on the back to confirm supported features. You'll now open Xbox Accessories and let it detect the controller. Grant any permission prompts so the device appears. Once you select the controller tile, look for firmware updates first. Updating can unlock lighting controls. After updates, explore any profile or lighting sections to change LED behavior, presets, color cycling, or indicator brightness if supported. If the app shows no lighting controls, it means that model or firmware doesn't expose RGB settings. Proceed to alternative tools only if you understand warranty implications. You finish by applying changes and testing the controller. Disconnect and reconnect to ensure settings stick. If LEDs didn't change, double-check firmware version and model compatibility, because not all Xbox controllers expose LED customization on PC. Once done, reboot your PC and try a different USB port or cable, and reinstall the Xbox Accessories app if detection fails. For persistent problems, update Windows drivers and try Bluetooth versus wired connection. These steps usually resolve detection and LED update issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.